Good morning, this is Kyle Costeca with ClickBank, and today I'm going to be talking and actually sharing with you guys 3 of our top pet offers. Now you might be wondering why pets. This is actually a $90 billion industry that's growing every single year, and it also happens to be the most searched terms on our marketplace, whether it's cats, whether it's dogs, dog training. We're going to be getting 3 offers that you definitely need to know about that have the best EPCs, the best AOVs, and are going to convert great for your list, as well as 2 bonuses just in time for holiday times that you could be promoting here in the near future. So why don't we get up and jump into it? Coming in at number 3 happens to actually be ClickBank's very first pet supplement, and that's Fresh Breathies, as you can see right here. It is a dog probiotic or digestive aid specifically for those cute little puppies and their bad breath. The funny thing is bad breath could actually mean really bad things to dog's health, and there's amazing VSL that explains that for individuals, gets great conversions, and for you what that means is you're gonna get 50% conversion, and because the AOV is so large on this offer, the average payouts still come in at the top at $75 when you're promoting this offer. Plus, with a well-experienced VSL and offer owners behind this that have done this before, you could run this offer on YouTube, Facebook, native, along with email lists and other things. It's really diverse, a great promotion, and on top of that, a great product. Fresh Breathies, you gotta give it a try. Coming in at number 2 is brain training for dogs. It's a perfect product for anybody that has a cute little puppy that they love, but they think, I just wish you were a little smarter. This product actually gives you all the training that you need, videos, resources to take your dog from point A to brilliant dog that is gonna listen to your commands, behave better, and be really amazing. This has actually been around for over 2 years, one of our top converting pet products with an average payout of $30, and it comes from a professional dog trainer authority, so you know the quality of the content's good, you know that it converts really well, and it's gonna have something with low returns. With a great resource page that's gonna give you banners, it's gonna give you email swipes, it's even give you looks like audiences. You have all the resources you need to get promoting a great product today and get some smarter dogs out there. This is a perfect product to be able to promote in email, any sort of content like your blogs and display with great conversions, and at the right audience, it converts fantastically in those areas. Oh, hey there guys. Hey, if you're liking this content right now, like I know he is, be sure to smash that like button. It tells us that we're doing a good job and continue to provide content for you in a way that you're gonna continue to enjoy. So now, on to the number 1 offer. And now, finally, for the number 1 offer, and I will be honest, this is actually a product that I actively use and love the owners of, and that is the Dog Calming Code by Doggy Dan. This is a fantastic digital course and program at $47 one time. It gives you the perfect things that you need to really calm your dog down, put yourself in an alpha position, and it converts incredibly well. The other amazing thing about this offer is there's a fantastic app and reoccurring monthly component that gives you the ability to have commissions, not only when you first make the sale, but from every single month afterwards. With a high stick rate, it's a great way to make money now and into the future, and it almost starts building. Plus, with the average payouts at $36, it's fantastic for your email list and your content websites. And again, with super low returns and a reoccurring component, this thing is almost a guaranteed winner, as it has been for over 3 million payouts to affiliates that they've already done. Now, let's jump into a couple surprises that you haven't quite seen yet, but you're definitely going to see a lot of in the future. We're gonna start off with a couple of offers that, again, these are a little bit new, but we think they're gonna be the next big things on our platform. First of which is the Wild Belly Dog Probiotic. This probiotic actually harnesses the wolf's secret to give your dogs better skin, better stomach, digestive things, which really just means a better behaved dog. The great thing about this offer, well, it is new, it's coming from a top copywriter in industry. Stefan Georgi wrote the VSL, which means that this thing should convert with really high payouts and high AOVs, so it'll be great for you to go to Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all your paid media sources. You can accept good payouts on something that's not gonna get your account shut down. So a safe, high converting pet offer. This should be a huge one, not only for Q4, but many periods to come. Again, that's Wild Belly Dog Probiotic. You're gonna wanna be promoting this one as soon as it goes live. All right guys, now for the final bonus, what I'm gonna be giving you guys today is actually ClickBank's very first pet toys. So this is Bully Bone, and this is a fantastic product whether you have an alien, a toothbrush, or other such various products, even the fidget bone spinner. The cool thing about these products is they're 100% made in America. It's nylon and natural products, so you're not getting something that's gonna be toxic. It's safer than raw hide. And with the tagline, bored dogs are bad dogs, this is the perfect solution to any pet owners that have a dog that's chewing on too much, harassing harassing them and just driving them crazy. So this should be a conversion monster, great for display, great for content, email lists. In fact, they're even open to jumping in your own upsell funnel or thank you page if you happen to have a pet product. We think this is going to be a huge winner for people who want to give gifts to their dogs this Christmas, or just want to essentially buy something that's going to make their dogs behave better and be happier. Who's going to ever say no to that? So again, Bully Bone, you're going to want to look out for this offer. We think it's going to be dominating the marketplace for this quarter and many, many quarters to come. Hey guys, if you're looking for even more pet products, if you actually click in the link in the description below, you're gonna get a huge list of all the other various products and pet products on our platform, so you can start promoting beyond the 5 that we mentioned. On top of that, continue to smash that like button. If you like this content, you want us to keep delivering it to it, smash the like button so we know to keep producing you more pet stuff or more on location stuff or even crazier things for the future. Thanks so much. Go out there, bark when you make a ton of great money, and happy to talk to you today.